So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works.
Hey, big dogs, do you like to get food? Do you like to eat your Wingstop order for free? So as you can see, we got Wingstop right here. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys that we're gonna order it for free. So as you can see, we're gonna do it, and it's $49, guys, for the Wingstop meal. $49, bro. So I'm gonna get it for free. I'm just gonna press place order, checkout, and this is the option to pay with influencer mode. So press continue, place the order, and now we get the order for free. So as you can see, it's gonna make sure that we're a developer and everything, which we're really not, but we're tricking the system because we got the modded app, and then we're gonna get the order for free. So as you can see, it says verifying. Okay, thank you for your order, cool. So now I'll show you how to download it. So first thing we're gonna do is type matrixmods.com. So that will be matrixmods.com. All right, so in this site is a number of modded games and stuff like that. So just put Wingstop. Actually, sorry about that. It's gonna be on, I believe, hexmods.com. So let me just type this in. All right, so now we're gonna go on the search bar and type in Wingstop and press on it. And then the next step is the verification. This is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app stores. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So yeah, we'll just give it a second. So as you can see, we got missing files, and then so you gotta download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's easy. So yeah, just do 2 of them. And then Underdog, down run for 30 seconds. These are really simple to do, guys. So make sure you do 2 of them. You're gonna be good to go. Peace out, my brotherhood. This is legit. Wingstop, free food, no time to waste. I got my order, you're getting yours. It's all fun and games. So peace out, brotherhood. Enjoy.